What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you the easiest card trick ever. Let's get into it. Now for this trick, I'm going to need the help of Specky the Spectator. So now what Specky's going to do is Specky's going to give the deck a nice shuffle, and of course since Specky's actually here, shuffle the deck myself. Okay. Now Specky's going to pick two values between ace and king. An example would be a 4 and a 7. So you should see the values that Specky picked come up on your screen now. Now the values that Specky picked, if we take a look in the deck, should be located right next to each other. So in this case, Specky picked a queen and a 4. So if we take a look, we'll see a queen and a 4 right next to each other. Now a quick disclaimer about this trick, it does not work 100% of the time. I'd say from my experience it works from between 70 to 80% of the time. And of course if it doesn't work on the first try, you could always say let's try again, and chances are it'll definitely work. So now the crazy part is there actually no secret to this trick. So for example, if you just take an ordinary deck that's thoroughly shuffled and cards aren't really organized in any pattern, then if we just pick random values like 9 and Jack, and now if we go through the deck, we'll see immediately there's a 9 and Jack right next to each other. And of course, it's not like it has to be immediate, but chances are whatever two values you say, the cards are going to be right next to each other. So that is actually the secret behind this trick. There is nothing involved in doing this trick. So one thing I like to do to make this performance even better is of course start off by giving the deck to the spectator to shuffle. This way they think there's no funny business going on and they have a full free right to shuffle the deck. Now to make this trick even better, when you give the deck to the spectator to shuffle, after they shuffle the deck and the deck is still in their hands, ask them to name two values. And of course give them an example what two values would be in case they don't know. And as soon as they say the two values, you could do like a magic wave or a snap or something. But have the deck remain in their hands, then have them turn it over and go through the deck themselves and find the two cards that they said. And I know this may seem like a very, very simple trick, but the magic is not really in, doing this by yourself. But if this is done in the spectator's hand and you don't even touch the cards the entire time, you'll get amazing, amazing reactions. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys know card tricks that are even easier than this one, make sure to leave them down in the comments below so I can make sure to check those out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media links down in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.